Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will learn how to delete files. So let's get started. To delete a file you must import the OS module, that is operating system module, and run its os.remove function. For example, import os.remove of filename.txt. I have created a folder called this folder, and inside that I have a demo file. Moving on, we will be using this folder to work with. And to avoid getting an error, you might want to check if the file exists before you try to delete it. That is, check if file exists, then delete it. To do that, import os and then type if os.path.exist. Then paste the copied path of the file here. Then os.remove of, paste the same path here. Then else print of the file does not exist. Add one more backslash for each backslash in the file path. Now if we compile this, the output screen displays the file does not exist. And to delete folder, the entire folder, use the os.rmdir method, that is import os.rmdir of, paste the copied path of the file here. So you can only remove empty folders. First we removed file and then folder. So as you can see, there is no folder here. The folder has been deleted. This was all about how to delete files and folders. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.